Live is a production planning app that lets you stay close to your production anytime, anywhere. Preventive maintenance. ELLEPOT Live provides you with a full overview of your machine and production status, making the daily production super easy to track and follow. When your machine needs preventive maintenance, ELLEPOT Live features a warning system that lets you know what the machine needs and gives an easy option to order the necessary spare parts or contact a service technician. ELLEPOT Live makes it easy for customers to solve problems on site. The app helps you to locate any malfunction precisely and gives you easy access to ELLEPOT service. It also enables you to request the exact spare parts needed or access a troubleshooting guide. With day-to-day shipping of spare parts, we will have you up and running in no time. ELLEPOT Live features easy calculation and ordering of paper, trays, and growing media.